Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech Vitamin B12 ELISA test kit. You can see this here. It says Calbiotech Vitamin B12 ELISA test kit 96 well plate. You can see the reference part number and also you can see the lot number, manufacturing date and the expiry period and the 96 well plate, and the temperature range is 2 to 8. It's manufactured in the US, CE certified product. I'll show you around the box. Okay, this is what the box looks like. You can see that. Let me open this box for you. Okay, here you go. Inside the box you can see one IFE brochure. You can see this here. There's one brochure which says Calbiotech Vitamin B12 ELISA, and you given the catalog number. You can see the Calbiotech Incorporation Vitamin B12 ELISA test kit is intended for the quantitative determination of vitamin B12 in human serum and plasma. You have the principles and the contents inside, and the test kit procedure and the assay procedure. You have complete instructions to complete the test, and also how to interpret the test results. Here. And inside you can see there is a certificate of analysis. You can see there is a certificate of analysis. You see there is a certificate of analysis. Vitamin B12 ELISA. You can see here the key contents. You can see there is a micro well plate coated with streptavidin 96 well plate, and vitamin B12 standard 1, vitamin B12 standard 2, vitamin B12 standard 3, vitamin B12 standard 4, vitamin B12 standard 5, and vitamin B12 standard 6. And vitamin B12 enzyme reagent, and you get biotinylated intrinsic factor reagent, extraction buffer, TCEP solution, neutralization buffer, and TMB substrate, and stop solution, and wash concentrate. This is the certificate of analysis. I'll just keep this here, and inside you can see there is one 96 well plate pouch. Put it here. You can see this here. It says streptavidin coated wells, 96 well. See the reference part number and also the lot number. Yes. And inside you can see the different solutions inside. I'll just go one by one. You can see one by one. Inside you can see stop solution 12 ml, and you see the reference lot number and the expiry date is given. This is the stop solution. Putting it back, and then you get extraction buffer 8 ml. You can see the reference and lot number here. Bring it back, and then you got the TMH substrate 2 to 8, so 12 ml. Bring it back. Then you get wash concentrate 20x 25 ml. You can see the reference lot number and expiry period. I'm putting it here, and then just taken this. This is the neutralization buffer. You can see the reference lot number and also the expiry period. Okay, and then let's take this. This is the biotinylated reagent 7 ml. Put it back. Okay, then you got enzyme reagent 7 ml. Okay, I put it back. Then you got all the standards here. Let's go one by one. You can see vitamin B12 calibrator 1. I'll put it back. Okay, I'll put it back. Putting it back. Then you can see another calibrator 2, vitamin B12 calibrator 2. Putting it back. Okay. Then we take the other one. You can see it says vitamin B12 calibrator 3. Then you can see there is vitamin B12 calibrator 4. Back. Okay. You can see vitamin B12 calibrator 5, 0.5 ml. Okay. And then you can see this here, vitamin B12 calibrator, see this here, 6 I think. Okay. And then you get one more here with a black top. You can see this here, it says TCP solution, yes, 0.5. Okay, thank you. Putting it back. Okay, today this is how the total kit looks like. Let me quickly summarize it. Today we see in the unboxing of Calbiotech Vitamin B12 ELISA test kit. It's a 96 well plate, and in the pack you get one IFE brochure, one certificate analysis, a 96 well plate, and you get a different solutions. Let me just quickly read that. So you get micro well plate that you got already. You get vitamin B12 standard calibrator from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's a TCP solution, and you get the vitamin B12 enzyme reagent and biotinylated intrinsic factor reagent, and there is one extraction buffer, and you get neutralization buffer and TMB substrate, and you get a stop solution and also wash concentrate. This is the total contents of, this is the total how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.